So in this video we are going to learn about Microsoft Access queries. So follow me along in this video. Don't skip the video, watch till the end to learn about the full procedure of Microsoft Access tutorial. So let's move forward and start doing the query. So let's open MS Access, and I have already created this particular table. This is called the student table, and I am going to the create tab, and after that we are going to the query wizard option. So I'm clicking on that and click on simple query wizard. So this is the first way of creating a query. Next, you can see the available fields. I want to do query on student name, so I'm selecting the student name field and clicking on this greater than sign, and after that I'm clicking on student phone number and again clicking on this greater than sign. So I've selected two fields, student name and student phone number. So on these two fields I want to do queries. So I want to click on next, and after that it's telling me, would you like a detailed or summary query? I want a detailed, show every field of every record, this kind of a query, and I want to click on next again. Open the query to view information. So I want to click on this, check this option and click on finish, and you can see that student table query has been created, and student name and student phone number, these are the two fields that are appearing in front of me at the moment. Now the next way of doing another query is go to the create tab, and you need to click on query design option. It is in the other group inside the create tab. Click on the query design option and you can see the tables. So I have only one table in my database, that is student table. So I want to select this particular table and click on add, and after that I want to close this window. So I want to do a query on student name. So I am selecting this student name from here and double click on this. So the student name field has been selected. The table is student table. So what is the criteria? So I want to give the criteria here. So let's say that equal to side double quotation. So we need to give the criteria over here. So I'm using the like query, like double quotation open. We have to give the asterisk symbol and then press A. So I have names starting with A, that is the reason why I am giving the letter A, and you have to go to the results group and click on run. So you can see nothing is coming at the moment. So what we need to do here, again go to design, and we just need to change this to A, then star, and then we have to click on run, and you can see that I have two names starting with A. So if I give if I give A at the beginning and then if I give star, this is the meaning that the names that are starting with the letter A will appear over here. Okay, so if I click on run again, you can see Anish and Abhishek, these are the two names that are appearing in my student name query. So the next query that I want to do over here is go to the next field, and from this drop down I want to take student DOB, that is date of birth. So for date of birth I want to give that greater than. So let's check what kind of date of births we have. We have 12/12/2006, 13/12/2005. So greater than 2006, let's do this. So greater than, let's say 12/12. I want to cross check it again. Yes, it's 12/12/2006. So 12/12/2006, and click on, go to design and click on run. So again nothing is coming, so we have to right click on this, go to the design view, and let's say greater than this. So run again. Okay, so what we need to do over here is, you can see in this table the greater 2006, the date of birth which is greater than 2006, all of them have name starting with the letter D. So we have to change this letter A to D, and then let's check, run, and you can see Deepak has a date of birth greater than 2006, 5/6/2010. So again right click and go to design view, and if I change this to A, so I have to change the criteria of the date of birth as well. So I am going to do greater than, let's say equal to 12/12/2006. Go to design and run again, and you can see Anish has the date of birth as 12/12/2006. So this is the way you can do queries. and also you can perform these queries on this admission number as well. So I will double click on this, or I will come here and click on the drop down menu and select admission number, and after that I am going to give the criteria. So here in the criteria field we are going to give greater than 1,20,000. Let's check it out, 1,20,000, and let's run. So above 1,20,000 we have Anish, who has a date of birth of 12/12/2006, and his admission number is 1,25,469. So this is his admission number. So this criteria was given in case of the admission number. I have given greater than. So what happens if I give less than over here? Let's see. There will be no results as far as I am remembering. Yeah, there will be no results, because you can see everybody in this particular field, that is student admission number, all of them has greater than 1,20,000. So let's do it like this. Again, right click and go to design view, and I am going to give greater than 12,000, 1,20,000, and let's click on run, and you can see over here it is giving the same result. And again, let's change the number to, let's say, what kind of numbers we have over here. Let's say 2 lakh. We have 2,35,698. So let's say 2 lakh over here. 2 lakh, 20, 200, 2,000, 20,000, and 2 lakh. Yeah, again go to design view and click on run. So no one is above 2 lakh over here. Let's check it. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so we have 2,30,000. So we have to give it like this, 2,30,000. So I'm going to change it over here. Let's say 2,30,000. Click on run. Okay, so for this we have to also change this particular student name field criteria as well. So I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to give like in double quotation D asterisk, that is the name starting with the letter D, and I'm going to give it as 2 lakh again. And now let's run this command and let's see what happens. Again, right click on this, go to design view, and let's see that it gives equal to or not.